All right, we're loading up the car again and heading out. We're gonna go chase waterfalls in one of the most beautiful places in British Columbia, Wells Gray Provincial Park. It's only about a 5-hour drive from Vancouver, so we're lucky enough to have 2 full days there. The first waterfall on our tour is Spahats. Spahats Falls drops 73 meters and the views go down into this narrow gorge. It's so dramatic and it's so beautiful. Before heading to our next waterfalls, we make a quick stop at the Visitor Center in Clearwater. We want to make sure that Silvertip Falls is open and get some driving directions. It's not very well known and sometimes the access depends on the trail conditions.
But if you want a challenge, come on up.
Up next is Triple Decker Falls. This one's a bit steep and it's 1.5K return, but totally worth it.
Triple Decker Falls, 1, 2, 3.
All right, that was 1 full day. So let's head to our campsite. We're staying at Clearwater Lake Campground. There are 2 waterfalls on each side of us. Falls Creek Waterfall on one side, and then just steps from our site is Osprey Waterfall.
This is the viewpoint from our campground. Oh, that river is raging. Wow, look at that. This is Clearwater Lake, just down from the campground. It's your day use area. Oh, there's a cute little cafe. And they have canoe and kayak rentals. We have to keep moving, otherwise the mosquitoes will eat you alive.
Speaking of mosquitoes, there's lots of wildlife here. Lots of bears, so make sure you're bear aware and give them lots of room. They actually recommend that you don't hang out too long while you're watching them from your vehicle. Keep it under a minute. Take a photo, take a video, and move on.
Day 2 at Wells Gray Provincial Park, we're doing Moul Falls.
It's about a 6K round trip hike. The trail's very well maintained and the viewpoints are gorgeous.
We're gonna go to the bottom.
In the summer months, you can actually walk behind this waterfall, but not during the spring runoff. But wow, look at that mist and the roar. And check out the double rainbow. This waterfall drops 35 meters. This is the crown jewel of Wells Gray, Helmcken Falls. Helmcken Falls drops a staggering 141 meters. That's taller than Niagara. It's the 4th highest waterfall in Canada and one of the most photographed in BC. The best part? You can see it right here from the lookout. No hiking required.
It's way more powerful than I thought it was going to be. Way more powerful. Stop Dawson Falls.
Great parking and a nice walking trail.
Another wow waterfall at Wells Gray Provincial Park. This one's Dawson Falls. It's called Mini Niagara. Awesome, that's huge. That's way bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
Dawson Falls spans 90 meters wide and drops 18 meters. The wide curtain of water makes for some epic photo ops. This one's wild. Bailey's Chute. This is where salmon try to leap upriver in the fall, and bears know it well. Here's some skunk cabbage. It's a sign of bear territory, that's for sure.
Hey, bear! And it's just a nice little walk to this platform, and it overlooks this extreme whitewater rapid. It was caused by a lava flow narrowing the riverbed.
This is called Mush Bowl. We've driven by it a couple times now. It's raging with the spring runoff. It's like a swirling blender of water. What an amazing couple of days. Waterfalls, hikes, wildlife, and some pretty unforgettable memories. Thanks for tagging along. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and comment below on your favorite waterfall in Canada. Stay tuned for more outdoor adventures. See you next time.